So much of what we do can now be automated with AI. But here's the real power: knowing what to say. When you communicate with clarity, AI becomes your researcher, builder, writer, planner, designer, launch team, and business growth partner.
Hello, I'm Diana Stansberry, a certified project manager and founder of Prime Pathways. Welcome to Smart Moves with AI. In this episode, I'm going to share with you how I launched Prime Pathways using AI. If you're new to AI, don't worry. I'm going to show you how I did it step by step so that you can do it too. Let's get to work.
All right, this is what ChatGPT looks like, and we can enter our prompts right here. You can type it in, or you can use the microphone here for voice commands. I started out by asking questions like, what kind of coaching offer should I create? Or what's a strong name for a PMP focused business? Or help me write a business plan for Prime Pathways. You can ask simple questions, but the more details you provide AI, the better your response is going to be. It also helps to give AI a perspective so that it responds to you through the lens of that perspective. Let me give you an example of what I mean by that. You can see here, I've given it perspective of a digital marketer and asked it to create a list of 5 ideas for a lead magnet. If I click here, you'll see that I'll get the response in real time. Okay, so it's giving me both a description and why each of the descriptions work. All right, let's try another one. Okay, by clicking this plus sign, I was able to upload my ebook. I'm going to use the voice command. Check this ebook for any copyright or trademark infringement. Okay, and you can see how it's telling me that the proper use of PMI trademarks are as such. How this protects me, copyright status of reference material. You do not copy large portions verbatim, so we look like we're in compliance there. Mild risk area, watch this. The term accelerator or PMP career accelerator could potentially overlap other PMP prep products using similar language. You're not copying names or branding of any known PMP products. Career accelerator is a common descriptive phase. I'm not concerned with that. The final verdict, or you're in the clear.
You see, you don't have to know everything. Leave that to AI. You just need to know how to ask the right questions. And initially, you'll ask simple questions and then allow AI to help you expand on your ideas, make recommendations about next steps. In that process, you'll be expanding. Your creativity around your ideas will expand. So good luck with that. But to support you, I have a little bonus for you. I prepared a prompt pack for you, smart prompt pack. You'll find a link for it in the description. Those prompts are customizable, suitable for any business. So it will get you started. Let me know how that works for you. And in my next episode, I plan to share with you how I build a marketing material, sales pages, LinkedIn posts, etc. So hope you're interested in that, and I hope you'll come back. Subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up if this was in any way helpful. And thank you for watching.